Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is DePin Alliance, right? So we are going to start from scratch. Let me show us how to navigate this project from the beginning. Okay, so let's go guys. So I'm about to sign up on this project. So when you click here, you just need to click on play, you start. So it's starting now. So it brings us to this page. You just click on get my first device. So it's loading. You register, click on register, then you draw this up again by clicking on the bottom there, then click on next. You say claim reward, so you claim reward. So just the next thing is to click on start contributing, right? So it has started. As you can see now, after 2 hours I'll come and claim 1500 points, right? Now when you get here, this is not where it ends. So the next thing is to click on view all. Okay, click on view details. Click on view details. You see something like this, but we're not coming here now. Okay, so let's go to you will need to gather some points first, okay, before you can now go there to buy some of those things. Just the next thing is to click on missions. Okay, you click on missions. So you now check in daily. The top here is this there's a daily check-in right here. So you tap on the first one, you claim now. Okay, tomorrow you come back again and repeat the same thing, right? So these are the little quests that we can do. This one says follow, join, invite reference. This one follow. So let me do some of these things and get some points, then we'll continue. Now guys, getting to this part where it says claim first 10,000 points for mining. That's the daily, this one, this now. When you claim up to 10,000 points from there, you can now come back to missions and claim these points. Okay, it's 10,000 points plus 800 XP. So let me proceed. Now all these ones now, you say this one says buy one device, learn any skill, achieve level 5, or invite one friend, things like this. So getting to this point now, we now have to now go to click on contribute again. You come to contribute. Okay, click on contribute. When you click on contribute, you now see we have 41,000 points here. Okay, so these points are meant, we are supposed to use it to upgrade. So you now come to this view details again here. Click on view details. Okay, and when you click on that, you see we have one device. Okay, when you click on the device, you now need to click on the device here. So I click on the device. So you see things like this. It says this one is CPU, this one is RAM, this one is GPU, this one is storage. Okay, so we need to buy RAM, GPU, and storage. These three things. Fill up all these places that are showing us plus icons. Okay, so let me go to RAM first. I click on the first icon. I click on buy now. Now I just buy. Let me buy 8 gig RAM. Buy now. So we bought that one. So when you click on contribute again, click on view details, click on the drawdown, click on the plus icon again. Now you see the RAM that we just bought. So you click on the RAM and click on confirm. You confirm it. So you see the RAM have entered. So you go to GPU, you do the same thing. Let me click on the plus icon, click on buy now. The smallest GPU here will cost us 21,000 points. So we buy. You don't have any option than to buy it. So we bought it. Click on contribute again. Click on view details. Click on the drawdown. Click on the plus icon. And then there's the GPU we bought. Click on it and confirm it. So you do the same thing for storage. Okay. But before we go to storage, let me go back first. So before we go to storage, you can go to items, click on items. So these items now that you have two boxes to open, click on the boxes. It says use key, okay, click on it. So you claim the reward, you click again, you claim the reward, right? So this one is, we got 0.001 USDT. So okay, so you can go back now. The next thing is to come to here, this your profile here, okay, you click on it. Then these are different skills, so you need to buy all these skills. You say programming, you can start from the first one, you click on it, then you level up, they will deduct 1000 points. So after 29 seconds, you see the time in here. They will not allow you to open this one, they will not allow you to open the second one. Let me click on level up and see. Yes, they will not allow you to level up until this timer goes down, right? After these seconds, now you come to this financial and level it up as well. So when you have done, let me just wait for this. So the timer have gone down now. So we come to financial, you click on level up. So we have leveled this up. Now we have, after 1 minute 59 seconds, you come to the next one and level it up. So you can continue this one on your own and finish it up, right? So after this one, you can click on your level, okay, you can click on your level. All these things, just play around with them. Click on your level to see, this is, we now have 1000 XP, right? So that is it for our level. Now if you come back to missions, now if you come back to missions, you now come to this buy any device. So we have bought a device, so you can now click on check missions and then you claim now. All right, so it says learn any skill. We have learned a skill. I think we bought that programming, something like that, so we have done that. So you claim when you get to level 5. Let me see, I'm in level 4, okay, this is level 4. So as you're doing all these things, you're increasing in level. When you get to level 5, you come and claim this one. When you claim up to 10,000 points, you come and claim this one. You can share your story and claim this one, okay. So these are things to do on this thing. You can go to league, okay, this is league. So this is league, right? So you have to, as long as you are in this league, everybody's mind, like as we are mining, like as we continue to mine, everybody will be like gaining. This league makes you to gain faster, right? So that's the advantage of being in the league. So what else? I think this is basically the things you need to do. Let me click on view all again. These are the things you need to do, guys, okay, so that you can stay on course and be mining fast. As you can see, most of these things that we did have increased our mining level to 3000. So let me click on device and see. Okay, it's not clickable for now. So these are basically things that you need to do. You can invite your friends right here, okay, you can invite your friends here. Shop, the shop part, they say is okay. The shop part is where you actually buy most of these things as well, but it's better you start from, it's better you do it easily from here, from these view details, right? So it's better like that. So these are the, I clicked on the avatar. You can change your avatar, okay. When you click on the avatar, you can change any avatar that you want, okay. Me, I prefer the default one there. So this is basically what you need to do on this DePin Alliance. So thank you guys and have a wonderful day.